Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all will be fine. We are doing unit number 7 of science, the study of matter. We have done different methods that are used to separate different mixtures, and in our previous lesson we have done two methods to separate insoluble solids from a liquid. First one is filtration and second sedimentation and decantation. And in our today's lesson, we will further study two methods that are used to separate different mixtures. And our today's lesson topic is evaporation and magnetic method of separation on page number 71. Let's start our today's lesson, evaporation. And first of all, we will do reading. How do we get salt out of seawater? Salt is soluble in water. You cannot use the filtration method to separate soluble substance from a mixture. To remove salt from seawater, you will have to use another method called evaporation. Do you remember what happens to water when it is boiled? It changes into steam, it evaporates, and the salt remains in the container. In this way, the salt is separated. Let's start the explanation. As we know, filtration method cannot be used to separate soluble substances from a liquid because filtration method is used to separate insoluble solids from a liquid. There is another method that is used to remove salt from seawater, and that method is called evaporation. Let's suppose if there is salt in seawater, how do we get salt out of seawater? Salt is soluble in water, and we get salt out of water by evaporation method. How? When we will heat the water, it will change into water vapors. And when all the water evaporates, salt will left behind. Look here in the book. The warmth of the sun evaporates the water. Evaporation leaves salt in the saucer. It means when we will heat the water, water will change into water vapors and salt will left behind. In this way, salt is separated. Next method is magnetic method of separation. Magnets are used to separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials. Electromagnets are used to sort magnetic metals in a scrapyard. As we know, magnets are used to separate magnetic materials from non-magnetic materials. For example, we can remove iron fillings from sand by using a magnet. And electromagnets are used to separate magnetic metals from a scrapyards. Next, environment watch, harmful gases. This cyclist is riding in busy traffic. Why is she wearing a mask over her mouth and nose? What can you do to help reduce the amount of harmful gases released into the atmosphere? Why this cyclist is wearing a mask over her mouth and nose? She is wearing a mask over her mouth and nose to protect herself from harmful gases that are released by vehicles into the atmosphere and cause pollution. So, she is protecting herself from pollution. And what can you do to help reduce the amount of harmful gases released into the atmosphere? We should reduce the emission from vehicles. We should reduce the number of trips in our cars. We should reduce or eliminate fireplace and wood stove and avoid burning leaves and trees. And we should use public transport instead of own vehicles to reduce the pollution. Thank you so much.